Hello everyone, Buddy here at House of Props. Ever since the airing of the Book of Boba Fett trailer, I have been waiting for the debut of Fennec's concealed knife. I was so excited to see how it was finally revealed in episode 3. I drafted a 3D model of the knife in AutoCAD, which is approximately 6 3/4 inches long. This length is a guesstimate based off of a still of the knife in Fennec's hand. This file was then printed on an Ender 3 Pro. To smooth the surface, I begin by starting with a 120 grit sandpaper, then a 180 grit, and then finish with a 400 grit. You want to smooth the surface to remove any trace of the print layers. This will give you an object which doesn't look as if it's 3D printed. While I finish sanding, go ahead and hit those subscribe and notification buttons so you can be notified when a new video is released. Or scan this code to see previous builds like these. Once the surface is smooth, I spray a layer of 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. Ignore the spot putty, I only used that because I had a print issue, but the piece was still salvageable. I used the 400 grit sandpaper to smooth the 2-in-1 primer, and then repeat the process with a new layer of primer. When I'm happy with the surface, I give the knife 2 coats of a high gloss black spray paint. To achieve a metal finish, I recently fell in love with Spastic's Nearchrome spray. It creates a wonderful finish and is fast drying. To seal the silver, I'm going to use their Ultimate Clear Coat. The company recommends applying at least 2 thin coats. I haven't used this product before, so let's see how it does. I found out through trial and error I needed to use rubbing alcohol to clean out my airbrush when I was finished. So yeah, that's it. Pretty easy, right? I'm extremely happy with the way this turned out. If you want to make one of these knives, a link to the 3D file that I made can be found below. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making this quick build. If you did, please leave a like and a comment below. And remember, if you are building any of my builds or using any of my templates, feel free and tag me at House of Props on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok because I would really like to see your fantastic work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.